Hello everyone. This is in continuation to solving of June 2024 question paper of CMA Foundation. The subject is Business Mathematics and Statistics. This is the fifth part and the last part of the question paper. Question number 41. Two events A and B are said to be independent if there are four options. First of all, let us write what is probability of A given B. Probability of A given B will be probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. Now that A and B are independent, we can write the numerator as P of A multiplied by P of B divided by P of B. So this and this gets cancelled. You get the result as P of A. That means the option is C. A card is drawn from well-shuffled pack of 52 cards, the probability of drawing a king or queen of spade is what? See, let A equal to event of drawing a king spade. Then B, event of drawing a queen spade. These two are mutually exclusive because you cannot have king and queen together in spade. So we are interested in finding king or queen of spade. That means probability of A union B. Since they are mutually exclusive, we can write P of A plus P of B. There is only one king spade in the entire card pack. So 1 by 52. There is only one queen spade. So it is 1 by 52. So you get 2 by 52. Simplifying that, we get 1 by 26. So the option is B. Next one, a perfect die is thrown. The probability of getting an even number or a multiple of 3. So even number, what are all the favorable number of outcomes? They are 2, 4, and 6. Number multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. The numbers are 3 and 6. Therefore, favorable outcomes are, we cannot write the number which is repeating twice. Only once you can write. That means favorable outcomes are 2, 3, 4, and 6. Therefore, the required probability will be only one die. So 6 is the total possible outcomes and 4 outcomes are favorable. So 4 by 6, which will work out to 2 by 3. So the option is A. Next question. Using a 3-year weighted moving average with weights 1, 2, and 1, find the trend value for the 4th year. So trend value for the 4th year. That will be 1 year. See, 4th year means we have to write it in that along, against 4th year. So the previous year's value is 5 and the weight given for that is 1. The 4th year's weight should be given as 2 and the 5th year's weight, 4th year's weight means it is 7 into 2. And then 5th year's weight, that is 8 into 1 is 1 given. And then divided by sum of the weights, 1 plus 2 plus 1. So we get 5 plus 14 plus 8 divided by 4. And if we calculate this, we get 6.75. So the option is C. That is the right option. Then let us go to the next one, 4th question. Calculate the weighted average of price relative index number from the following data. So we can calculate it here only. I will create some column to the right. Here, the price relative with weight. Price relative with weight. That will be current year's price, that is 4 divided by 2 multiplied by the weight. Weight is given in terms of percentage, 40%. So I will make it 0.4 multiplied by 100. So if we calculate this, we will get 80. Second one, it is 6 by 5 into 0.3 and then multiply it by 100. That will be 36. Then 5, that is current year price, divided by base year price, multiplied by the weight, multiplied by 100, we will get 25. The last item, that is 3 divided by 2, multiplied by the weight, which is 0.1, 10% means 0.1, into 100, we get this as 15. So the sum of this we have to do. This is the total. We need not divide it by weights here because some of the weights will be 1 only. So straight away, if I add, I will get 156. So the option is A. Then 46th question, if sum P naught Q naught equal to 1360 and sum P n Q naught equal to 1900, sum P naught Qn equal to 1344 and sum P n Qn equal to 1880, then find the Laspeyre's price index. So price index of Laspeyre, the formula will be summation P n Q naught divided by P naught Q naught multiplied by 100. P n Q naught is given as 1900 and then P naught Q naught is given as 1360 multiplied by 100. If we calculate this, we will get 139.7. That means the option is A. Next one. The Laspeyre's price index is 147.28 and Pachet's price index is 143.26. Then the Bowley's price index number. Price index of Bowley, it is actually Darbish Bowley, will be the arithmetic mean of Laspeyre index and Pachet index, means the average of these two. That means 147.28 plus 143.26 divided by 2. If I calculate this, I will get 145.27, which is option B. Next one, if a perfect coin is tossed 3 times, then the probability of getting exactly 2 heads is. First, let me write the sample space. So first, I will write 2 coin tossing sample space, HH, HT, TT, TH, TH, TT. Let me repeat it. Now we will end the first row, everything with head. Second row will end everything with the tail. So we got our sample space now. Now the required probability. All possible outcomes is 8. Exactly 2 heads. Exactly 2 heads is, one is this and then this. These are the 3 possible outcomes. So 3 by 8. That will be the answer. So option C. Next one. Given P of probability of B1 is equal to probability of B2 equal to 1 by 2. P of A given B1 means here B1 and B2, the sum will be 1 only. That means these are exhaustive events. And then since only these 2 events are given, they are mutually exclusive events also. Probability of A given B1 is given as 1 by 3. Probability of A given B2 is given as 2 by 3. Using Bayes' theorem, find the probability of B1 given A. So first of all, probability of B1 given A will be probability of B1 multiplied by probability of A given B1 divided by probability of B1 multiplied by probability of A given B1 plus probability of B2 times probability of A given B2. Here, in this case, A becomes a common event, we may notice. So now let us substitute the values. Probability of B1 is 1 by 2. Probability of A given B1 is 1 by 3. Whole thing divided by 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 plus probability of B2 is also 1 by 2 times A given B2 is 2 by 3. So now let us calculate this 1 by 6. Here 1 by 2 is common. So we can write 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is 3 by 3, which is 1. So I can simply write 1 by 6 divided by 1 by 2, which will be 1 by 6 multiplied by 2 by 1. So this becomes now 2 by 6. 2 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 3. That means the option is D. Now, the last question, that is 50th question. If A be an event, then which of the following statements is true? Probability of any event has to be between 0 and 1. So straight away we can choose option C. So that is the solution for this particular question, and also the complete solution is done for June 24 question paper. Thank you.